the ball game. We can see na talagang there's determination in the eyes of Alon players to really come back to the young and beautiful you. Makabawi kaya ang Team Alon or makuha pa rin ng Team Yanig ang second set? Back to the ball game. For our viewers, pag napanalo po ng Team Yanig ang second set, they will become our champions. Pero syempre hindi papayag ang Team Alon. They are gunning to extend this to a third and deciding set. Service from Team Alon. Good serve. Set up to the open. Oh! Score for Team Yanig, care of number 28, Martinez.
Vince fighting for the future generation.
Service for Team Yanig, their setter, number 18. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Oh! Into the net and in, says Camacho of Team Alon. Now serving is our league's reigning best server, number 5, Chris Recto. Good serve! And that is an ace from the best server.
Go, Chris!
Oh! Look, well, the best servers can still make mistakes. So, point for Team Yanig. Yeah. Point for Team Yanig, service, number 14. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Over ball. Set up by Andre Mendoza to Martinez. Oh! Set back by Vincent, number 9. Point for Team Alon. Service number 9, Vincent. Good serve. Reception by Yuna. Oh! That is a point for Team Yanig. Care of that perfect reception from number 4, Yuna Pepito. Service for Team Yanig, number 28.
Nice one, boy!
Set up to the open. Over ball. Oh! Thank you for watching, Team Yanig. There is a campfire. Maglaro tayo. Now serving for Team Alon. Number 8, Anton Camacho. Oh! Service error. Point for Team Yanig.
Go, Alon! Go, Alon! Go, Alon!
Now serving for Team Yanig is jersey number 8, Gebay. Nice reception. Into the open. Outside! Point for Team Yanig. Yanig is now on top by 1. Nice reception by Cheese. Into the open. Oh, that was a good dig. Again to the open. No! Point for Team Alon. It's okay yun, napakak pa rin yung makeup takbo. It happens to the best of players. Now serving for Team Alon. Cheese. Nice reception. Oh! Quick attack from Andre Mendoza of Team Yanig. Now serving Team Yanig, Andre Mendoza. Service error. Now service for Team Alon, number 7. Good serve. Nice reception by number 11. Over ball. Oops. Dump ball. Kinuha ni Cheese. Oh! Point for Team Yanig. Safe target now. Payag ka ba nun, Cheese? Wag. Now serving Team Yanig. Nice reception. Nice dig. Set up to the open. Drop shot. Nice dig by Camacho. Into the open. Drop shot mataas. Sinet ulit. In over ball. Kinuha ni Camacho. Sinet into the open. Oh! Last touch from Team Yanig.
This one goal.
Score for Team Alon. Service number 30. Nice reception. Over ball. Kinuha ni Chris Recto. Sinet sa open. Outside for Alon. Point for Team Yanig.
And this is still 7.
Bawi lang daw ang sigaw ng bench ng Team Alon. Sabi naman sa Team Yanig, hindi daw pa makakain. Oh! Not over! Point for Team Yanig. Score po natin, 9 serving 7. Outside! Point for Team Alon. Now serving once again our reigning best server, number 5. Yes, may pressure kasi best server. Ayan, nag-error ang best server. Point for Team Yanig. Now serving for Team Yanig, number 14. Nice reception. Set up. Oh! Point for Team Alon. It was a nice hustle. Now serving for Team Alon, number 9. Nice reception. Sa gitna. Drop shot, kinuha. Oh! Are you okay? Yes, he is okay. And they got the point. Thank you for the music. Point for Team Alon. Score po natin, 10-all. Still serving, number 9. Good service. Reception by Yuna. Set sa 4. Oh, it is not over. Pero it was a good reception. Point for Team Alon. Still serving. Nice reception. Sinet sa open. Oh! Into the block. Point for Team Yanig. Score po natin, make a wish, 11-11. for Team Yanig. Nice serve. Reception by Chris Recto. Oh! Oh! Yuna Pepito with back-to-back digs. Point for Team Yanig. The Y in Yanig is Yuna. Puk sa Ana. Service from Team Yanig. Reception. Set up to the open. Oh! It's denied. Point for Team Yanig. That is now a 3-0 run by Team Yanig. Still serving Team Yanig. Good serve. Tinarget si number 8. Set up to the back row. Good dig. Oh, over ball now. Okay. Sinet up sa open. Outside. Off the block. Point for Team Alon. I am sensing something. That is now a side out to Team Alon. Serve. Nice reception. Set up to the middle. Nice dig. Set up again. Outside. Points for Team Alon. It's 2 straight points now off the block of a Yanig blocker. Still serving for Team Alon. Number 8, Camacho. Back to me. Nice reception. Set up to the middle. Oh! It was a quick attack from number 15. Score for Team Yanig, 15, serving 14. Oh! Not over. Point for Team Alon. Service for Team Alon, number 13, Cheese. Good service. Set up to the middle. Oh! That is a good fight for Andre Mendoza. Score po natin 16, serving 15. Substitution. Number 14 out, number 16 Nix tumulong in. Service for Team Yanig. Good serve. Nice reception. Into the open. Oh! Number 30 with a Alon spike. Now serving for Team Alon, their setter, number 7. Good serve. Oh! That is a service ace. Still serving for Team Alon, number 7. Nice reception. Set up to the middle. Over ball. To the seam. Sinet to the open. Oh! Down the line. Point for Team Alon. Alon is now up by 2 points. Still serving for Team Alon is their setter, number 7. Nice reception into the open. Oh, that was a good dig. Oh, point for Team Alon.
Nice one, Anton!
Time out, Team Yanig. That is a 4-0 run by Team Alon. At dahil timeout, let us take this opportunity to thank our sponsors. Thank you to Nexa Vegetables, Capital Dental Center, Chase, Andre Felix for Pocari Sweat, Kuya Jojo Sutico, Kuya Bob Finishing Services, Conbini, the PLDT High Speed Hitters, and Mandala. We would also like to acknowledge our photographers since yesterday, Mike San Diego, Elizur Orejola, Kenneth Corpus, and Arnel Encina. Thank you so much po. Back to the ball game. Service from Alon, reception over ball. Battle at the net, balikan ng bola. Sinet sa open. Block, good dig. Over ball. It's still alive. Oh! Miscommunication. Point for Team Yanig.
Ingat!
Score natin 17, serving 19. The pressure is building up. Kaya-kayang i-close ng Team Alon or kukunin na ng Team Yanig ang championship. Inside! Point for Team Yanig. The lead is down to 1. Can Team Alon close this set out? Good reception. Set up. Nice dig. Outside. Point for Team Alon. We have reached the 20th point for Team Alon. Service number 30. Tumahimik kasi mag-outside of serve. Point for Team Yanig. Now serving for Team Yanig is their setter, number 18. Good serve. Nice reception. Set up. Chris Recto. Check ball. Point for Team Alon. Check ball daw. Sure na sure si Chris Recto. At dahil dyan, magsaserve na ang best server. Nice serve. Set up to the open. Good job. Buhay pa ang bola. Again to the open. Nice dig. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Okay. Set up to the open. Nice dig by Guevara. Set up to the open. In over ball. Kinuha ni Chris Recto. Set up to the open. Outside. Happy birthday. Point for Team Yanig. Score po natin 20, serving 21. Oh! It's a good ball! Oh! It's off the hands of Cheese Shrestha in the back row. We are now tied at 21 all. Sinong makakakuha ng set na to? Outside. Point for Team Alon. Point for Team Alon. Service number 9. Score po natin 22, serving 21. Good reception. Set up to the middle. Nice block touch. Over ball. Nice dig by Yuna. Over ball. Nakuha. Over. Oh, kinuha ni Chris Recto. Sinarap sa back row. Taas daw. Oh, buhay pa. Oh, we have a rally. Oh, it's a good ball. Over ball. Buhay pa. Oh, we have a rally. Oh, what a rally. Point for Team Yanig. Talagang ayaw na mag-third set ng Team Yanig. Time out, Team Alon. Okay. Score po natin 22 all. Isang team na lang ang makakakuha ng set in 3 points. Is it Team Alon or Team Yanig? Team Alon scores their 23rd point. Neck and neck, and the pressure is building on. Serving for Team Alon, number 8, Anton Camacho. Nice service. Set up to the middle. Nice dig. But it is outside. Point for Team Yanig. As per the rules, 1 deuce per set only lang po. Good serve. Nice reception. Into the open. Oh, good job. Over ball. Nice reception. Set up to the open again. Oh! Cross court attack. Point for Team Alon. Team Alon is now at set point. Can they finally get it and extend to the third set? Now serving number 13 of Team Alon, Cheese. Good serve. Outside. Now we have a deuce. Isang deuce lang po, so this is a race to 26. As per the rules. I'm just reading the rules. First to 26, now serving. Good serve. Over ball. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Over ball. Chance ball. Set up to the open. Nice dig again. Into the open. Oh, nice dig. Okay. Open. Oh, what a defense. Oh! Team Alon now at set point once again. Again, paalala lang po, this is just a race to 26. One last point for Team Alon. Service, their setter, number 7. Good serve, nice reception. Set up. Oh! It is down to the wire, everyone. Wala na po tayong deuce. Kung sinong makakascore ng next point, siya na ang panalo ng set na to. Is it going to be a championship point for Team Yanig or a set point for Team Alon? Service for Team Yanig. It was good. Set up. Oh, it was good. Set up to the open. Not over. Point for Team Alon. And we are going to a third set. Kahit ayaw